Is your hair lacking moisture, frizzy, or unmanageable? Are you experiencing thinning hair, alopecia, or a receding hairline? Is your scalp dry, itchy, and/or damaged? Have you tried every hair product on the market only to be disappointed time after time? Inventor and attorney Emery M. McClendon Esquire felt the same way. When I was able to easily manage my difficult 4C hair and regrow it with just one hair product, after experiencing male pattern baldness in both the top middle of my head and my front hairline, I felt obligated to offer this miracle to others. Made with all natural ingredients, PHamily Hair Care is an all-in-one complete hair care system in a jar that replaces all the following products: hair cleansers, deep conditioners, leave-in conditioners, oils or oil treatments, anti-frizz serums, detanglers, sealers, gels, blowout creams, growth serums, edge control products, curl definers, creams, serums, twist or manipulation products. This glam squad in a jar was formulated for curly and coily hair, but as evidenced by the various styling tutorials on our website, PHamily Hair Care works extraordinarily well on all hair types and styles, while restoring your hair and scalp to its optimum health. Finally, one hair care product for the entire family.